Go to the principal's office.
What do you think a school's for, Brad?
What? Sorry, I keep disrupting the class.
You're not answering my question. What's a school for? To educate, isn't it? Did you hear any noises during the quiet parts? The person making those noises is Brad Cohen. You like making noises and upsetting people, Brad?
No, sir.
Then why do you do it?
The thing in my brain that causes me to make weird noises.
But you could control it if you wanted to, right?
No, sir. It's a sickness.
What can we do to help you, Brad?
I just want to be treated like everybody else.